We were about to drive our converted shuttle bus out to the Pacific Northwest, and as of yesterday, the engine won't start. Our batteries started acting particularly crappy about a week ago, but we don't know if that's the problem. Luckily, we're parked at my husband's grandma's house, so we are safe and comfortable, but we still want to make it out west. Let's go get batteries and see if that fixes things. I'm doubtful, but it needs to be done anyway, so we'll make it our first attempt at fixing things.
Oh, this guy on this side.
Moment of truth.
Okay.
Well, that's a letdown. Stay tuned for a part 2 to get the bus running.